Good morning, all of you. First of all, I welcome in Shashi International School, Tunla, District Firozabad. Myself, Kavita Sharma. I am the principal of Shashi International School. Let's the view of our main gate. Let's see. It's the main gate of our Shashi International School. This is our main gate. Now, towards the main gate, we enter the school. This is our guard, Mr. Ram Singh. Due to COVID, we are taking so many precautions and he is maintaining all the register. This is our entry register. You can see he have maintained all the records of visitors and parents and those who are coming, entering here and maintaining the records properly. Thank you, Ram Singh. And now the time is we are welcoming to a Shashi International School IC members. First is Salil Hassan, Ansar English School from Kerala, and Mrs. Sheila, CKMNS Senior Secondary School. The both are belongs to Kerala. I thankful to our IC members, those who have given the concern for our inspection. Thank you. Now towards our school. You can see the garden of our school, the beautiful area of our school. Sometimes class nursery to UKG students, they are coming and enjoying there. I'm also enjoy with the students of class LKG, UKG and nursery. You can see the beautiful garden here. We are maintaining all the time corners of the school. So many plants are here, some flowers are here, they are blooming and happy with them. Now we are going in our garden and in our front area. You can see here we have a pakka boundary wall. Our wall height is 12 feet. You can see here walls are decorated by the flags, walls are decorated by the plants. You can see here green lush area garden are here. You can see in a proper manner we have arranged by the management. Plants are very blooming here. They are the beauty of our school. You can see so many beautiful garden are here, so many beautiful plants are here. Our gardener maintain all the things, all the times are ready. In COVID time, they have also maintained all the CA things. And you can see this one is our gate number 2. This is our gate number 1 area and this is our gate number 2 area. You can see our pakka boundary wall. Height is 12 feet. You can see we have maintained properly by the lush green area, by the plants, by the trees we have grown up and in this area. You can see here all the things maintained by the management in a proper manner. Pakka boundary wall you have seen here. The height is 12 feet. We have maintained kho-kho ground. We have maintained volleyball ground. You can see marking are here. Everything is here in a proper manner. Gardener has maintained all the things in a proper way. Our boundary also maintained by us in a proper manner. and everyone is coming in the school for the sake of the school. They are giving their best. You can see here everything is arranged by us in a proper manner. All the way you can see Pakka boundary wall and 12 feet height. You can see our totally land is 11,820 square meter, and we have 820 square meter, and the height of the wall is 12 meter. Everything is arranged by us. Beautiful flowers are here, roses are here, because the time of roses to blooming, and they give us motivation all the time. I love flowers, and you can see again, this is the back side of our school. You can see this is the backside area of our school, and you can see the plantation here. Gardener have maintained all the things in a proper manner. You can see the plants, you can see the trees, you can see the flowers, and you can see the papaya also. They are blooming. They are blooming to eat them. We love them. Everything we have maintained in a proper manner. Flowers are ready to blooming and blushing here. Trees are welcoming us. Flowers are welcoming us. You can see the plantation, and you can see the Pakka boundary wall also here. We have arranged fencing also on the upside. You can see the fencing area of our school. You can see the flag also maintaining, and beautifully we have arranged our school in a proper manner. You can see the trees, how beautiful area are here, and Pakka boundary wall also you can see here. The height is, boundary wall is 12 feet. You can see, and again I'm telling you, my school area is 11,820 square meter, approx 4-acre land we have in total area. Now we are moving towards our main gate again. You can see this is the back side of the school. You can see from here. We have arranged all the things in a proper manner. This is the area of parking area for the teachers only. We have provided the facilities to the teachers. Teachers can come and park their bikes and cars. They can come again and take the bikes from here, scooters from here. They can move from here. Now we are going again our front area. You can see the wall here, fencing are here, flags are here. Everything is arranged by us in a proper manner. And now once again, this is the virtual tour of our school. You can see, and this is, I am again welcome in my school, our IC members and CBSE. I am very thankful to my management, CBSE members and IC members, those who given the precautious things to do for me. Thank you once again, all of you. And now we are moving in our entry area. Now we are going inside. You can see our outside area, all the things we have maintained properly. Now we are going inside. You can see and come with me. We are entering in our reception area, and outside of the reception, you can see all the things arranged by us in a proper manner. Now we are going our reception area. We are starting a day with puja. We can't leave our culture, so we start a day with puja with Ganesha. And we start the day, our puja temple. Let's see. This is our puja temple. We pray here and start the day. Now we are moving our reception. This is our reception area. You can see some sofas are here. Visitors came here and sit properly. Morning, morning, ma'am, morning, sir. We have arranged sanitizer. We have arranged mask also. Mr. Arun is our clerk. Give your introduction, Mr. Arun, sir.
Hi, this is Arun Srivastava. I am working here as a clerk.
This is Khushbu Sharma as accountant here.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Arun, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now we are moving towards our boards. So many pictures are here. You can see the pictures of our activities. Boards have arranged properly. You can see the students are looking so smart and active. These are the activities. 20% we have introducing the activity time and 80% we have introducing academics. This one is another board. You can see the photographs of activities. And this one is another board. You can see the photographs of our cute childrens. This is our Teeny Tots corner. Class nursery to UKG have given so many activities here. Now we are moving towards some boards are here. Some important instructions are here. No hand mask, no, be safe. You can see the boards arranged by the COVID. This is our all reception area, and you can see the ramp of the school. It is the main part of the school. By laws of the CBSE, we have arranged all the things here. Chair are here, ramp is here, so you can see properly. Now we are moving towards our vision, mission, and about the school. You can read the instructions, you can read the theme of our school, you can see the moral of our school, and you can mission and vision of our school. You can see clearly here, put it here, so you can see. This is the board of our main instructions. Lacking are many important notices here. Due to COVID are some lacking here, you can see. And now we have arranged 4 boards here. You can see the Newton, Einstein, Galileo, and Rutherford. We have given some competitions here. We have given the first one, second one, and third one, and fourth one here. They have shown their color also, blue, orange, yellow, and green. We have introducing by the colors also. And now we are moving towards our lab. This is our biology lab. We are coming in the biology lab. He is our bio teacher, Mr. Imran Khan. You will give your introductions.
Myself, Mohammed Imran. I am a PGT. I am a sub-science teacher here. This is our bio lab, and here we are explaining the various things to the student. These are the 3D models, and these are the microscope. Here we are explaining the slide to the students. They are various and 3D model of arts, and these are we have the charts for explanations, and we have. This is our lab.
Just check my blood pressure,
Yeah,
sir.
of course, ma'am. Definitely. Please. Ma'am, now your
I'm okay now?
yes, ma'am. You are
My BP is right?
yes, ma'am. Your BP is right now.
Oh, thank you, sir.
This is okay. This is the board of welcome to the bio lab, and this is the sculpture system for explaining to the student of various things and how human body structures. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, sir.
Now we are moving towards. This is our math lab. Now we are moving in our maths lab. Beautifully arranged by Mr. Pathak. He is our maths teacher and maintaining all the records, all the registers, all the charts and maths lab also. Give your introduction, Mr. Pathak.
My name is Sanjay Pathak. I am maths teacher here. I teach you 7th, 8th and 9th class. I am also proposed to PGT. So these are some registers which we maintain during the school. Your teacher's diary, some maths lab experiment, maths lab stock register. It's a 9th maths lab, 10th maths lab. It's a maths lab attendance register. It's a ego club and assessment assembly register.
Now you can see the walls of this lab.
It's charts which done by the students during the school. These are different charts
Good.
on the different types of topics.
Students have prepared the chart by their own handwriting also. So many times they have put it some stars here. So look beautifully they have arranged. This one is for class.
This one is for class 8th. And we have also some type of instruments here during the activities we use such that these are the geometrical shapes instruments. Here are the fraction discs which we used on the time of experiments. These are also some mainly charts as according to the topics.
Good.
Here are also some more instruments. These are different types of shapes. This is a model made by the students of class 9th. It's a abacus. These are the geometrical shapes here. Here is the geobox.
Sometimes 6th to 9th onward students are here enjoying with the maths and they learn maths with enjoyable. Thank you, Mr. Pathak. Thank you very much. Now we are moving 9th classroom. This is our class 9th classroom.
Welcome, ma'am, again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
This is our board of class 9, and this is my class, and this is my log registers, and this is my teacher diary, which I have filled according to the syllabus.
Good.
And these are our attendance registers. This is filled. This is our attendance register.
online record you have
online
maintained.
record I have mentioned in each and everything. Okay, and this is the lesson plan of everything.
Now you can see the view of our classroom. Classrooms are too much airy and spacious. Furnitures are very good quality. Student can sit here and learn properly. Thank you, sir. Now we are moving class 7th. This is our class 7th room. You can see the board of class 7th here. This is class 7. Miss Fareen Khan, you will give your introduction.
My name is Farina. I teach 6 to I teach English 6 to 8. From 6 to 8, this is a blackboard, and this is a teacher diary. And this is a novel. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. We are moving towards class 5th. You can see the board of class 5th classroom. We are going in class 5th. You can see the view of the class, too much airy and spacious. Board are ready, walls are ready, everything is good condition. Now, is the teacher of class 5th.
Hello everyone, my name is Sahil Khan. I teach mathematics in this school from 1st to 6th class. These are my remotes. This is my diary. And this is log register of class 5th. And these are attendance sheets of class 5th.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we are going in class 3rd. You can see the board of class 3rd. We have arranged our fire extinguishers. You can see the date here. We have filled with updated. You can see the date properly. Now we are moving our classrooms. This is class 3rd. Now we are going in class 3rd. Morning, sir. This is class 3rd. Furniture are in good condition. Student can sit here and learn properly. In class 1st, you can see this is our class 1st room, beautifully arranged by the teachers. Mother teachers maintain all the things in a proper manner. You can see the chart, blackboard, softboard, and walls are too much decorative here. So many charts are here and rooms are looking so good. Now we are going in class UKG. This is our class UKG. You can see the board, and we are entering in class UKG.
Hello. Welcome to UKG class.
Thank you, ma'am. She is UKG teacher. She is mother teacher of class UKG. Ma'am, give your introduction.
Myself Anshu Dixit. I am mother teacher of UKG class. I am NTT trained teacher. So please have a look at my class.
Thank you, ma'am.
See alphabet and good habit start. Sir, ma'am, please look my log register, and this is my teacher diary and my all registers.
Okay, good. Now we are going in class nursery. So you can see the board of my kindergarten ABC. This area is belong to kindergarten. So many times children are playing here. So many times children are running here. So many times children are dancing here. They can do each and every here, this is the area of our kindergarten. This is the main attraction of our school. So we are entering in the nursery class. Please. You can see everything arranged by the teacher. She is our nursery teacher. Ma'am, please give your introduction.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
I am Nikki Verma. My qualification MA B.Ed and NTT teacher. I am taking nursery class.
Thank you, ma'am. You can see the board. Teacher have arranged. Room is look like a beautiful condition. You can see the attendance register of this class. Thank you, ma'am. This room is specially for nursery class. So now we are moving in our LKG class. You can see the board of LKG. Now we are entering LKG class. You can see each and every corner of this class as maintained by the teacher. She is also mother teacher. We are in class nursery, LKG, UKG. Mother teachers are taking the classes.
I am myself Bharti Singh. I am a class teacher in LKG. I am a mother teacher. She is my classroom. This is fruit chart and birds chart. This is my log register. This is my diary. This is my diary. Activities.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Moving drinking water area. You can see sanitizer here. You can see masks are here, and you can see the tap of this. Safe drinking water have arranged school properly. Now we are moving toward our washrooms. You can see the girls' toilet here. It's a good condition. You can see here. Now we are moving inside here. You can come and see the condition of a girls' toilet. It's properly cleaned. You can see we have arranged proper hygienic. Everything is done by a proper manner. You can see we have arranged handicapped, physically handicapped students. We have arranged this toilet. And this is for especially handicapped students. We have arranged chair and all things, and you can see here. This is for small kid, you can see, and this is for everything arranged properly. You have seen. Now we are coming out. This is boy toilet. Every tap has done work properly. This is boys toilet. You can see the separate portion of each toilets. We have arranged physically handicapped children here. You can see. You can see here. This is for especially for handicapped children. They can go in a proper manner. We have arranged here. You can see. It is mandatory by laws. We have arranged, and you can see the water for hand wash. You can see for small kids sometimes taps are working. its good and hygienic condition. It was our ground floor. Now we are moving our first floor. Now we are going our indoor sports room. You can see the board here. You can see chess and carom boards and so many items are here. So our sports teacher are here.
Myself Siddharth. This is our sport indoor room. This is carom. This is racket. So this is carom for sir children for nursery, LKG and UKG. This is our skating. So this is basketball, football and volleyball.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And now we are moving our girls' toilet room. You can come over here. You can see the taps are working here. Now you can come inside and see the condition of our toilet. This is wash basin and it's working. It's also working. And now you can see the condition of the toilets. Proper cleaned and hygiene, we have maintaining the things. You can see the condition of our toilets. Now we are going out. Now we are moving towards boys' toilet of this floor. You can see the board here. You can see the condition of taps. Everyone is working properly. We have arranged the things. Now we are going inside. You can see wash basin tap is working. This one is also working, you can see here. Now, you can see the condition of the toilets. Every toilet has cleaned properly by the sweeper. Properly hygienic condition, you can see here. We have arranged western seats also. And you can see here, partitions are here. Boys' toilet is necessary for us. You can see the partitions are here. In boys' toilets, it is a necessary part by laws. We have arranged all the things. Now we are going out. Now we are moving our composite lab. See the board of composite lab. Now we are going inside.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, this is our composite lab. This is for the class 9th and 10th. This is the sculpture system and these are the microscope. See, here is the adjustment. It is working conditions. It is a working condition. Now, these are the microscope 3D models. And when you come here, this is a composite lab board.
Okay, sir.
These are the models, these are the specimens for the bio.
Okay.
And here the instrument, apparatus for the composition. This is working conditions. See, these are all the working conditions.
Good.
And here the stool for sitting for the student. These are the composite lab registers, stock registers. This is a lab manual of 10. This is a lab manual of 9. And come. These are the various chemicals which is present in our composite lab. Enough quantity we have for the practicals. All the instruments, all the apparatus we have for the composite lab. All the things are working. Now this is working.
Just show you.
And these are the physics instruments: voltmeter, ammeter, calorimeter, fluorostat, Warnick calipers, spring balance, screw gauge, prism, glass slab, pulley, lens, mirrors. This is working condition. Everything, magnified glass, everything is here. Thermometer, magnesium level, everything is here. The working conditions.
Walls are also decorated by the charts. You can see almiras are here.
These are almiras for keeping the things. All are one more thing. All the things we have.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now we are going in our chemistry lab. So please come with us and let's see. Our next room is chemistry lab. You can see the board of chemistry lab. Now we are entering our chemistry lab.
Hi, good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
I am lab in charge of this chemistry lab, and these are the chemicals are located in this chemistry lab. So chemicals are available in this lab, and all chemicals are mentioned in the chemical stock register also. And there is an electronic weighing machines and filter peoples are also available. And these are the glassware. Burette stand are located on the burette and the conical flask also. And these are the packages and mortar pistols, spritz lamps, and there is a reagent bottles, iodine fuel are available here, and water supply is available in the lab. And they are the reflux condenser are also available here. And these are the conical flask and gas supply and are available in the lab. And beakers, round bottom flask, reagent bottles, sprit lamps are available. And water supply is also available here. And these are the China disc. Electronic weighing machines available, and ma'am, it is a lab manual of 11th class chemistry. It is a 12th class lab manual, and it is a chemical stock register, and these are the purchasing bills of the instrument and glassware also. And these are the some glasswares are also available here. These are the measuring cylinders, volumetric flask, test tubes, hot plate are also available, and that is a digital pH meter for different types of titration and pH determination of different chemicals also.
Thank you, sir. Thank
you.
Now we are going our next room. This is the board of physics lab. You can see the board of our physics lab. This is our physics lab. You can see lab assistant and teacher are here. They will give their introduction and each and everything will be explained by the teacher.
First of all, welcome friends. Myself Mohammed Imran, I am a teacher of PGT for the proposed class 11 and 12. This is a physics lab. You can see here is a very apparatus here which is very sufficient for the practical of 11 and 12. Prostate and multiple keys, stopwatch, ammeters. These are the physics lab manual and physics stock registers. See here, ammeters and galvanometer, voltmeter here, tuning form, everything. And this is optical lens. See. And these are thermometers, prism, calorimeters, prism, glass slab, plane glass, rubber band, screw gauge, one-way calipers, optical bands. These are the instruments for the practical of electronics. Here see transistors, Ohm's law apparatus, voltmeters, Zener diode apparatus, stopwatch, whatever need we have in the lab.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
He is our lab assistant. He is also maintaining the lab.
Yeah. I am a lab in charge of this lab and I maintain the different instruments that are available in this lab also, and working with Mr. Imran sir also in the lab maintaining. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now we are going in our next room, multi-purpose room. Multi-purpose room means we have introducing yoga here and we are introducing music here, and so many times we can use as seminar hall also. It's a yoga dance room. We are entering here. This is our yoga room. You can see the wall. Some positions are here of yoga positions put it on the walls. You can see some asanas are here. Surya Namaskar asana are here. Yogasan chart are here. Tadasana chart are here. So many charts are here, and now we are moving towards our music room. Music teacher is ready to talk with us, and sometimes, so many times, I came here and enjoyed too much.
वेलकम मैम, वेलकम। ये बहुत ही अच्छा, मुझे यहाँ पे जुड़े हुए काफ़ी टाइम हो गया है, स्टार्टिंग से ही हूँ। मैं म्यूज़िक टीचर हूँ, मेरा नाम शालिनी पाराशर है और यहाँ पे इतना फैसिलिटी है बच्चों के लिए, टीचर्स के लिए, कि हर तरीके से ये म्यूज़िक के इंस्ट्रूमेंट का उनको हमें ज्ञान देना होता है 1 by 1। हम यहाँ जैसे ढोलक है, तबला है, हारमोनियम है, फ्लूट है, हम इस सब चीज़ों के बारे में बच्चों को नॉलेज 1 by 1 देते हैं। क्लासेस के अकॉर्डिंग हम उनको साउंड का भी पहचान कराते हैं। देन ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट है माइक, हमारे पास सारी फैसिलिटियाँ हैं यहाँ बच्चों को उन्हें आगे बढ़ाने के लिए। उन्हें जैसे गणेश वंदना, ये मैं बच्चों का जो है पूरा तैयार है मैम, ये आप देख सकते हैं इसमें सिस्टमेटिकली।
मैम, आई वांट टू लिसन अ ब्यूटीफुल गणेश वंदना।
जी, ओके। गजानना 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 गजानना, प्रथम वंदना श्री गणराज। आओ आज, आओ आज, गजानना लंबोदरा 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 लंबोदरा. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now we are going outside. Now we are going in our examination room. Just come inside. This is our examination room. Teacher are ready with their introduction.
Thank you. Hello, myself Shubham Tyagi and I am the examination coordinator in the Sashi International School. As you can see, this is our examination department where we keep all the record related to our exam. So coming on to my text, first of all, I will introduce all the document. Here is a half yearly question papers for this year. Then this is all the UT1 to half yearly consolidated sheet for each and every classes where we keep a record for the marks of the student. Then all the sitting arrangements are kept in this file where teacher have to go according to their respective classes. Question paper for the UT2 and question paper for the unit test first. Coming on to back side, here you can see we keep our previous year's files and all question papers related to the UT3 answer sheets, UT1, UT2 and UT4. This side, coming on this side, we have a notice board where we keep all the records, whatever the updates are going on related to for our teachers, we keep over here. We have a personal printers this side, and here's my Rohit sir, which we introduced for the helping hand. Coming on to this side, as you can see, we have a Wi-Fi system over here personally, so that we can be updated with the CBSE pattern, whatever the question papers we are making accordingly. Coming on this side, we have a half yearly answer sheet we keep over here. Final exam answer sheet we have. After the month of September or November, we have to remove all these sheets and shift into the second row. Now you can see here we keep all the quizzes which we are performing. The answer sheets are kept over here. For personal use, we have a CO2 fire executions because we have an inventor facility provided over here. You can see all the systems are provided, so we need a precautions over there. This is that. Let's see. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Going our proposed 11th commerce class. It is our biometric section. Everybody come here and put their impression. We have maintained cards also due to COVID. We have maintained all the things. Now we are moving class 11th commerce. It is proposed for class 11th. We are moving class 11th.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, sir.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Harish. I'm the proposed and approved teacher for the coming 11th commerce section. Thank you.
You can see our room are ready for the 11th class students. Furniture are ready and room are very spacious and airy. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now we are going in class 11. We have 10th class room also because next year we will propose class 10 first batch. This is our 10th class.
Good evening, ma'am.
Morning.
Hello, my name is Sandeep Tomar and I am proposed PhD teacher for English section to teach class 9th and 10th and mentally prepared to teach class 11 and 12th forthcoming. Thank you. And this is class 10th.
Thank you, sir. And you can see the condition of our furniture and rooms are very spacious and in good condition. Now we are moving our next room, class 12th. You can see here we have put it POCSO Act and Prevention of Sexual Harassment of Staff. We have so many arrangements like this. So you can see here we have arranged the registers also. We will see. Now we are moving towards class 12. You can see the board here, 12th science. You can see it's our proposed class 12. Furniture are here, board are here and waiting for the students for upcoming years. Now we are moving class 12 commerce. You can see furniture are here, podium are here, and boards are put here. All lights and fans and facilities are here, furnitures are here, and we have proposed class 12. The condition of furniture, the condition of podium, and the condition of room, you can see here, rooms are very spacious and very airy. So you can see all the view of class 12 proposed. Now you can see this chart is showing anti-ragging committee we have organized in the school, and we have allotted 4 teachers in this committee. They maintain all the records properly and give the instructions by the principal. Now you can see the class 12 science. This is a class 12 science. You can see furniture are here, fans are here, light are here, podium are here, and we are waiting for the students. Give your introduction.
Good morning. Myself Ashish Kumar Singh. I am a proposed teacher for class 12 science.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. This special educator and wellness room. You can see the board here. We are going in our special educator room. It is the important room of our school. Now we are going to Lubna Ali. Lubna Ali ma'am, give your introduction.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Lubna Ali, and I have done B.Ed in special education in mental retardation, and I provide knowledge about physical, emotional, and social growth for students and their parents, and I collaborate with the students and parents and staff. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Archana Yadav ma'am, and she is looking after the wellness and health department, and she is health and wellness teacher.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Archana Yadav, and I am health and wellness teacher in Sashi International School, and I am MS Psychology, and I look after every child, every student, and the staff members. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. And now we are going our next room. So come with me. We are going our next room. Now we are going towards our ramp. By laws, we need it. By the CBSE laws, you can see ramp is necessary for the children. We have arranged chair, we have arranged the things, and we have arranged the material for the students. It is the good thing for the school. It is the necessary thing of the school. You can see our water area of this floor. Now water properly. Taps are working properly. Student can come and take the water. Safe drinking water here. This is drinking water area. We are moving towards ramp. It is the necessary part of the school bylaws of the CBSE. We have arranged. Sometimes students can come here and they come from this side. You can see the ramp of our school. It is a good part of our school. You can see here floor are properly managed by the management. Railing are also maintaining properly. It is the easiest part of our school. Sometimes something happening in the school, so students from chair onward, they can come from here. You can see chair are here it is the ramp. You can see the board also put it here, and you can see the chair also. You can see this is the chair for any handicap or any casualty. If in school they can use it and be comfortable. We have maintained all the things in the reception. We are coming again. It was the tour of our virtual tour of our school. You can see here our reception area is totally managed by us. It is the main part of our school. Sometimes so many visitors, parents came here and sit properly and wait for the meeting by the principal, by the management and by the teachers. On PTM, so many parents came here and take the result and they go through the classes also. Now we are going in our first aid room. Room has arranged by Mr. Kaptan sir. He is looking after our room.
My name is Kaptan Singh. I am in charge in first aid room.
You can see he has maintained each and everything in a proper manner. You can see the register of medicine issue. You can see the register of stock register. Everything has maintained by Kaptan sir. Bed has also arranged. Curtains are properly arranged. You can see the view of our first aid room. Almiras are here. You can see. Now we are moving our next room. Now we are going computer lab. You can see the board of computer lab. Now we are going in computer lab. You can see teachers are ready to give their introduction.
Hello, myself Shubham Tyagi and I am a computer teacher from 6th to 9th class.
Myself Meenakshi Sharma. I am a computer teacher. I teach from 1st to 5th.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. You can see the condition of our
You can
lab.
see there are 22 computers present over there and they are all in a working condition. So at a time there 22 to 23 students can be accommodated in our class. Here is a proper ventilation over there and charts are present for the junior classes as you can see. In our room there is a personally one inverter is being kept over there that's for computer only. And a fire execution and a door entrance for any safety measurement.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Just show your register.
Yes, sir. Here we have a stock register, as you can see, which is maintained for the records of all the items which we are using over here. Then whatever the classes we are conducting and whatever the experiment and activity going for this class, we are maintaining the record. This is our teacher's diary for both of them. This is for a Meenakshi ma'am and this is for me. As you can see, we are maintaining our all the timetables and all here for the class timetable and all. Whatever the syllabus are there, we are maintaining.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Now we are going our, you can see the board of projector room. Now we are entering here. You can see the wall of this area. Room is very spacious and furniture is in good condition. You can see cleanliness is also here. Every student from 6 onward came here and learned, enjoyed. You can see the projector here. Student can come here, class 6 to 9th onward, they can come here and enjoy the learning process. Curtains are here, furniture are here, and room are too much spacious and airy. Now we are going our next room. This is our library. You can see here the board of library. So come inside in our library. You can see the board of library has maintained by our librarian. You can see this board is also maintained by our librarian. Written over here, welcome to our IC members to library. Now our librarian has come. He will give our introduction.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Ravi Kumar and I am the librarian of the school. I want to say about the hand manuals which is issued by the NCERT and CBSE norms for the teachers as well as students also. We maintain different kinds of registers for various purposes in library, such as accession register. हम मेंटेन करते हैं सारी बुक्स जितनी भी हमारी लाइब्रेरी में हैं, वो सभी बुक्स को इसमें एंट्री करते हैं हम लोग इस तरह से. दिस इज लाइब्रेरी कमेटी मीटिंग रजिस्टर. हर 6 मंथ में या 3 मंथ में हम लोग एक बार कमेटी की मीटिंग करते हैं, जिसमें प्रिंसिपल मैम और स्टूडेंट्स रहते हैं रिप्रेजेंटेटिव के तौर पर, टीचर्स रहते हैं, जिसमें हम लोग कोई भी लाइब्रेरी से रिगार्डिंग कोई भी हमें बुक्स मंगवानी हो या कोई भी इम्प्लांट्स करना हो तो हम लोग इसमें डिस्कस करते हैं. जैसे लाइब्रेरी इशू रजिस्टर फॉर स्टूडेंट्स. स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं अपने पीरियड्स में और व्हेन एवर दे फ्री और इशू कराते हैं अपनी बुक्स इस तरह से. टीचर्स के लिए एक अलग से रजिस्टर बना हुआ है, ये लाइब्रेरी इशू रजिस्टर फॉर टीचर्स, जिसमें टीचर्स अपनी कोई भी बुक्स आके इशू करा सकते हैं. दिस इज़ कैटलॉग लाइब्रेरी बुक्स, जिसमें कैटलॉगिंग के लिए किया जाता है. ये रजिस्टर न्यूज़पेपर के लिए है, जिसमें हम लोग न्यूज़पेपर मेंटेन करते हैं. लाइब्रेरी जनरल रजिस्टर और पॉलिटिकल रजिस्टर. This is the newspaper stand. There are two types of newspaper we receive in the school, Hindi and English both language. This is the shelves for different classes. This is 1st to 5th and 6th to 8th according to subject wise. This sells for encyclopedia and dictionaries. We have both language dictionaries, Hindi, Sanskrit to Hindi, medical dictionaries, visual dictionaries. This is the higher classes of the self, 5th to 8th. English, Maths, Hindi, SST and Science. Students come this library and take their books. This is literature, Hindi literature books, biography in both language, Hindi and English also. This sells for higher classes, physics, chemistry, biology, maths, accounts, for accounts. We have sufficient space for the students. There are 30 to 40 students can sit in the library and at a time. This is library literature in English and fiction for students. This is the nursery and KG section. Storytelling books we have, short stories in Hindi and English both language. This is sports book, math, science, ड्राइंग आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट की बुक्स ऑल्सो भी है. If any students lose their books, we give them from the course books.
Okay.
This is the magazine section and newspaper stand. We have different kinds of newspaper magazines, current affairs, Champak for kids, Kurukshetra, Tinkle, Drashti.
It is good corner for the students. They can enjoy and they can learn more and more. Both languages are here, Hindi and English we are introducing here. So many newspapers are you are watching here. You can see Hindi newspaper and English newspaper daily they will read and inculcate their habit. Now we are moving towards the table of this librarian. He will
we have soft copy of the books also in the computer in Excel. You can see it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Now we are moving towards our playground. So let's come. We are going our playground. Students are playing here. They can enjoy here and they can fun here. So now we are going in our ground. Now we will meet our sports teacher. He will tell about our ground.
Good morning. My name is Rahul Kumar. I am sports teacher of Shashi International School. We have one ground in which we have 3 or 4 courts. One is badminton court. The dimension of this court is 13 by 610 meters. And we have another court, second court, which is volleyball court. The dimension of this court is approx 18 by 9 meters, in which 9 meter is only playing area. And the third court which we have in our school is Kho-Kho court. Mostly
this is swing area. You can see the ground are waiting for our children. In COVID time, we have missing the students. We have missing my students, especially kids John. They are also waiting for the students when they will come. And now we are moving towards our next playground, Kho-Kho playground. Sports teacher will tell about the Kho-Kho measurement of our ground.
The measurement of Kho-Kho court is 29 by 16 meter, in which 2.50 meter from the help post, from center of the help post. Kho-Kho game is mainly played by the boys of our school.
And now you can see the athletes playground. We are moving toward our athlete ground. So let's see our athlete 50 meter or 100 meter. It's 100 meter. You can see they have given the marking also Just tell about your athlete ground.
Ma'am, we have 100-meter. We have 100-meter athlete track, in which there are 8 lanes. Each lane difference between one lane to another lane is 1 meter, and starting point is there and end point is there.
Okay. Now you can see the boundary wall of our school. It's Pakka boundary wall. You can see here from there. And so many plants are here, so many trees are here, you can see, and they are the beauty of the school. This is the important part of our school. Sometimes our teachers came here and enjoy with the students. On Teachers' Day, we have planned a match for students and teachers also. So we enjoy lots of here so many times. So now we are going in principal room. So it is my room. I am the principal and I am moving towards. You can see my board also. I have maintained properly CBSE, all circulars put it here. Due to COVID, our vision, mission about the school, anti-ragging committees, sexual harassment committees, vision, mission about the school. POCSO Act, prevention and sexual harassment of the staff committees, circulars are here, put it properly. So now we are going in principal office. You can see the nameplate here. We are going in my office. Please welcome in my office. Please get aside. You can see everything is arranged by us. You can see here. Heritage register are here. Music attendance register are here. Music syllabus register are here. Parents teacher meeting register are here. These are the file of teacher, including me. You can see the files are arranged by us. You can see the service book of teaching and non-teaching staff we have arranged properly. You can see the non-teaching attendance register yearly wise we have arranged in a proper manner. Teachers attendance register 2020-21 yearly we have arranged properly, you have seen. Non-teaching staff documents file we have arranged. Visitor registers book yearly we have arranged. Complaint register also we have arranged by yearly. Quiz register you can see here. Yoga register, this one is you can see here. Cyber club register also maintained by us, and you can see student notice register yearly we have arranged in a proper manner. Now you can see here so many files we have arranged in my office. State NOC, you go through inside and see in a proper manner we have arranged. OSIS file, you can see the front page also mentioned in our video. UDIS file also mentioned in a proper manner. You can see the front page of this file. Secondary affiliation file, you can see here school code and everything. You can see here. This is our current file. Senior second affiliation we have applied, so you can see here. This is the trust deed papers of the original, you can see here. This is the important register of the school. Admission withdrawal register you can see here. Sexual harassment committees we have decided by the management, we have arranged in a proper manner. Anti-ragging committee register you can see here, we have maintained in a proper manner. School management committee we have maintained by a register, and you can see the registers of accounts book. These one are yearly we have arranged. And these are the SR registers of our school, and this is CBSE circular files we have maintained. CCTV cameras are here. School has given the facility of CCTV camera. So many times we can't move anywhere every time, so we can watch from here, students, teachers. We have not given the time to drivers or non-teaching staff in school premises, so totally prohibited for the guard, drivers and all this type of non-teaching staff, they can enter in the school. We have always motivate my teachers, please be punctual and be disciplined all the time, then you go high. If you want to go high, two main thing is for your future, be disciplined and be punctual all the time, then you can go high and can you achieve your goal. My students, my teachers, I always motivated by me, and all the time I am taking workshops and all. I have given so many experience and I have given so many motivation all the time. I welcome again my IC members, those who given the concern for inspection, especially for us. Those who given the precautious time for us, those who given their concern for us. Thank you, Dr. Salil Hassan, sir, and thank you, Ma'am Sheila Varghese, ma'am. Thank you once again, so many times. I'm very thankful to my management, those who given the opportunity to talk here and serve here. And I again welcome my IC member, and our affiliation number, 213387, and my school code number is 61319, and total land area is 11,820 square meter. We have updated all the things, and we have updated website also, we have updated mail also, we have updated all the things also, and WhatsApp group also we have maintained properly. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.